Jabbar Patel ji, Honorable Minister Sahab, Khaldir ji, Smita ji. I actually felt very overwhelmed when you gave an introduction to me. I told Shubha ji, I don't know if she's talking about me or somebody else, because all these achievements seem like a dream. And more important, it's not something that I feel which I have achieved, because from my childhood, apart from the fact that you have a supporting family, otherwise during my time to come into the music industry from a middle class South Indian family like mine was difficult. But to be able to have so many gurus of music, to have learned from so many music directors, from singers of my earlier generation who were like gods for us. So now when I feel I'm in my life, I have been blessed because I have walked a dream. I have walked a dream, and this dream has been possible because before, when I was in the film industry, you'd be surprised. There were some people who would say, oh, to tell my father, she's gone to the film industry, Is that a safe industry for women? But, I'll tell you something, all my life, so many years, I don't need to reveal my age, but I've been 50 years in the industry. I have walked through this industry with rose-colored spectacles, and God has allowed me to keep my rose-colored spectacles because I have met absolutely fabulous people, and I know only one thing, that if you present a good side and people know that you will not compromise on certain things, nobody will ever take you for a ride. That's what I've learned, and I've learned that there is a lot of goodness in people, and today I've been honored by all of you. Are so great. Thank you so much. I'm humbled, and I'm also scared because you all want me to sing today. Okay, this is... Okay, I'm not lying, but I'm just recovering from a very, very bad bronchial cold. I tend to have asthma and bronchitis for many years, and right now I'm in the grip of this attack. Because you told me to prove it, I'll try to sing a line. If I can, fine. Otherwise, if anybody has a job for a yodeler today, I'm ready to do the job in front of the mic. क्यों नहीं लग रहे हैं ये धरती गगन, मैंने पूछा तो बोली ये पगली पवन, प्यार हुआ चुपके से, ये क्या हुआ चुपके से. तुमसे मिलकर ना जाने क्यों, तुमसे मिलकर ना जाने क्यों, और भी कुछ याद आता है, याद आता है. Thank you. I'm so grateful to you all.
Thank you so much, Kavita ji. I think whatever she said in her speech today makes her the legend that she is. With just the sheer simplicity that she comes every time, comes the grace, and we're all beyond honored, Kavita ji, today to be standing on the same dais as you. I think this moment calls for a very, very special picture. Thank you so much. Kavita ji, खूप लांबून आले.